In case of alkali metals, carbonate of alkali metals, nitrate of alkali metals, sulfate of alkali metals, and hydroxide of alkali metals. Down the group, ionic character increase and covalent character decrease. Why? Because the first member show more charge density. Charge density is the ratio of charge to its size. Smaller the size, more will be the charge density. So the first member of group first A and group second A, for example, lithium and beryllium, due to its small size, show more charge density. Greater the charge density, greater will be its polarizing power. What is polarizing power? When a small size and a highly charged cation is brought near a anion, this cation attracts the electron of anion toward itself and repel the nucleus of anion away from itself. So it produces positive and negative poles on anion. This is the polarizing power of cation. Greater the polarizing power of cation, greater it will be show the covalent character in a compound. So the first member of group first A and group second A, for example lithium and beryllium, due to its small size, show more covalent character in a compound. Down the group, polarizing power decrease. Why polarizing power decrease? Polarizing power mainly depend on the size of metal ion. Down the group, the size of metal ion increase. That's why the polarizing power of cation decrease. When polarizing power decrease, the ionic character in a compound increase, so its solubility also increase down the group. Remember the point here that in case of carbonates, nitrate, sulfate and hydroxide of alkali metal, down the group solubility increase due to increase in ionic character of compound. In case of alkaline earth metals, nitrate of beryllium and hydroxides, the charge density first increase, then down the group decrease. Beryllium show more charge density due to its small size. When charge density increase, the polarizing power will be also increase, and it will show more covalent character in a compound. Down the group, in case of nitrate of alkaline earth metals and hydroxide of alkaline earth metals, polarizing power decrease due to increase in size of metal ion, so it will show more ionic character in a compound. When increase in ionic character occur, its solubility will be also increased down the group. In case of carbonates and sulfates of alkaline earth metals, the hydration enthalpy decrease due to continuous increase in the size of cation down the group. Solubility of sulfate and carbonates decrease down the group. Remember, in case of sulfates and carbonates of alkaline earth metals, the solubility of sulfates and carbonates decrease down the group. When we put a solid particle of sulfates or carbonate of alkaline earth metals in water, two types of energy involved. One is lattice energy. What is lattice energy? Lattice energy is the amount of energy required for separation of particles, for separation of ion from solid particles from this solid crystal. Lattice energy is the amount of energy required for the separation of ions from this crystal lattice. Second is hydration energy. What is hydration energy? Hydration energy is the amount of energy released when 1 mole of ion is dissolved in water. In case of solubility, in case of carbonates and sulfates of alkaline earth metals, the lattice energy is greater. And the hydration energy is lower. That is why the solid particle of sulfates and carbonates of alkaline earth metals do not dissolve in water down the group due to increase in size of metal ion. Down the group, hydration energy of metal ion decrease and lattice energy increase. Why lithium chloride and sodium iodide show more covalent character? This is lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rhodium chloride and cesium chloride. Here the anion is same. So in this case we compare only cations. Smaller the cation, more is the covalency. Why? Because smaller cation show more polarizing power, therefore show more covalent character in a compound. So down the group ionic character increase, and the first member lithium chloride show more covalent character and the cesium chloride show ionic character. Sodium chloride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide and sodium iodide. In this case the cation is same, but here we compare only the anions. Among us, the anions larger the size, more would be show it covalency. Therefore the order is, in this case, sodium iodide show more covalent character because here the size of iodide ion is greater. Among alkali metal halide, which halide is ionic and which one is covalent? Which compound should theoretically the most ionic and which one is the most covalent amongst the metal halides? This is a periodic table. The smallest metal ion and the largest anion should technically be the most covalent. Therefore, lithium iodide is the most covalent. The largest cation and the smallest anion should be the most ionic. Therefore, cesium chloride should be the most ionic. Which one will be covalent? In this case, the cation will be small and anion will be large. So Li, which is the first member of group first A, show more covalent character when it is combined with the iodide ion. Cesium chloride, in case of cesium chloride, when cation is larger and anion is smaller, in this case it will show ionic character or the compound will be ionic.